What's up friends, welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show with you how to use 17Track on Shopify step by step. So friends, first step, you should be log in your account. From here, sign up with your account if you have a customer or developer, and then install this on Shopify app. As you can see here, just click this option, install, and then you see guys this page. From here, click install on your Shopify, and then you will start configure your 17Track this with your Shopify account here. As you can see here, just wait. You can see here track as installed successfully. From here guys, you can convert up to 90% transporters, and then guys, as you can see, I stopped successfully. You can continue here, and then I write all your as you can see here, this is all statistic about this plugin. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. This is the app guys. You can see here, if I traditional on English, as you can see here, you can see all the data from here, delivery or not delivery, all the things. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.